Hello and welcome to this tutorial video of SASHIMI segmentation. In this tutorial video I'm going to talk you through the view options that are available. All of these options can be accessed through the keyboard or through the view menu. So the first option is to flip the axis. So you can, for example, flip the x-axis if you have to segment the right leg but you're used to looking at left legs. This might be handy. There's the option to actually show the axis. By default, you don't actually see the x and the y values, but clicking show hide axis, you can make the coordinate system visible. Using the M button on the keyboard or through the view menu using show hide mask, you can make the segmentation visible or invisible. So I'm just pressing the M on the keyboard now to toggle the visibility. You can change the transparency of the mask as well using the comma and the dot button on the keyboard, or go to view, increase or decrease transparency. So I'm now setting it to be fully opaque, and now I'm switching it off. You can make the object lines visible or invisible using the S button on the keyboard, or go to view, show hide guides. Using the L button on the keyboard, you can preview the label names that are assigned to the object in the label table. So I'm pressing L again now to hide them again. So starting from SASHIMI version 1.1 and up, there is also the possibility to view other planes than the transverse plane. So from version 1.1 and up, you will see a crosshair, this yellow cross here, which you can toggle on and off using the C button. You can drag that around, or if you hold the Shift button on your keyboard and click with your left mouse button, it will move the crosshair to the position where you click. Now if you switch the plane, which you can access here through the drop-down menu at the bottom of the image, you can now switch the plane to the other orthogonal views of the image. It will then go to the plane indicated here by the crosshair. So now I'm switching to the XZ plane, and now you can view the image in the other views. So in the XZ and the YZ view, you cannot segment. Segmentation can only be done in a transverse plane, but you can use these other planes to inspect your segmentation and to set guidelines which will help you segment on the transverse sections. So the topic of guidelines is the topic of the next tutorial video.